All on beat. Watch me bounce it on beat. On beat. All on beat.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Miss Brand New, and I'm here to give y'all a UV neon makeup look today. We're gonna be glowing, alright? So let's go. We're gonna start out with the lashes because I want to show you guys how to color them. All you gotta do is have a liner of some sort, a liquid liner. If you want it to glow, you let it be a glowy one, and then you just paint the lashes and let them dry, and that's it. This is the LashingOutGlam Graffiti liner in the color Blaze. So I try to be different, do a piano look on the lashes. Make sure you do the front and the back of the lashes as well, and let them dry, okay? They'll be dry by the time it's time to put them on at the end. Alright, so we're going to use the MyoMakeup Pigments, okay? And this is just an angled brush that I'm using to use the NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil to add to the eyebrows. So we're going to just draw on the eyebrows as if it was the black or brown pencil. Then we're going to take the first pigment, which is the neon yellow, and tap it on, like just tap it on. This is a coral pigment, which I want to do next. You can use any colors that you want. Just make sure they blend well together. And then the last for the tail is going to be a hot pink. So just tap it on now. I know it looks like a block, a brick, or whatever you want to call it. But once you pat it on, then you blend afterwards, okay? Now we're going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze to clean them up, because you know they're like regular eyebrows. You gotta make them look cute and neat. Alright, so this is the color Toffee. I'm going to use this as a base on my eyelids and blend out any of the harshness. Alright, so the Crayon Case matte book, we're going to use that same nude tone. And then we're going to wing it, because you know I can't go without a wing liner. So we're going to use the black, because the black is a safe zone for me first. I like it. Alright, so this is another LashingOutGlam Graffiti liner in the color Tag. It's like a lime green. And we're going to go right over the black liner that I just created previously. If it looks a little messy, it's okay if you go over the black a little. All you got to do is get the black liner again and go right over it just to neaten it up. So I'm also going to do like a little halo effect, curve over the liner that I just created as well, in the same color that tagged. If it looks a little choppy, you also can take a Q-tip, dampen it, pinch it, and then clean it up. It removes it like nothing because it's a water activated liner. Okay, I got these rhinestones from Aliexpress, and I'm just placing them, trying to create a design. I'm going with the flow at this point. So we're just gonna add them. And yeah, they really glow inside the UV light as well. Alright, so we have the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Gotta get rid of the crater face. Alright, so we have the Milani 201 Perfect Conceal Foundation. And I use two colors because I'm an in-between color person. And the first one is going to be Chestnut, and the next is going to be Golden Toffee, so it can be the perfect shade. Alright, so we're going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee to highlight. And then we're going to buff it in. Alright, so we have the Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer, which we're going to use to contour in the color Deep. And I know it looks a little heavy on sometimes, but the next product will mellow all of that out. Alright, so this is the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder, which again melts it all together. Just put it all over to set it. Alright, so I have the Essence Lush Mascara. It's not my fave, but we're gonna use it. We have the Duo Glue, and I just wanted a nose ring today, so that's what I did. And here goes the lashes. So you see how they look? They're pianoed. I'm not feeling the black. It was giving me Halloween. So I'm going to add pink to the black part so that it can look better. And this is the pink, hot pink color in the MyoMakeup Pigments. Again, turn it into a liquid and brush it on. For lips, we're going to use the Crayon Case Rule Breaker Lippies in the color Broadway and Adams. And then the liner that we are using is the MAC Chestnut. Alright, so this is the Coral Pigment. I just wanted it to glow a little bit as well, and it ended up working because I like this combo. So just tapping it onto it and popping in lips, blended it in. It's still a little chalky, so added a little bit of more Broadway and then blended it out with the brush. And all done. This look can definitely be as a normal neon look and be pretty, which I wanted it to be. But hold on, because I gotta show you guys the glow, the light up, the UV. And let's go. Here we go. Boom. Okay, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and sticking with me. If you're new, thank you so much. And don't forget to follow my social medias because I'm on everything. The name for everything is Miss Brand New. And if you just like makeup for Instagram, it's Brand New Beauty _beauty. Don't forget to follow.